Parents, these are our African vegetables. They are full of organic. They contribute to a long lifespan, healthy bodies, stronger, as our forefathers used to take them. They were stronger, not succumbed to diseases which are here nowadays. So let's cook them once a week in our homes with our kids. This is mubora, pumpkin leaves. This is mufarinya, cassava leaves. These are sweet potato leaves, mbambaira leaves. This is bonongwe. You can take them from the fields, even the gardens. This is mutsine, the blackjack. It's good for our healthy. This is madora. We have what we call a mushroom. We have okra. You can dry them to use them later during the year. Make sure you take one dish per week to boost immunity in our bodies. Our forefathers used to take these. Let's keep our identity and pass it to the next generation. You can put dovi, peanut butter in mufushwa. Thank you.